I'm going to call our keynote speaker, Mr. Zishan Abru. I would like to introduce a bit about Mr. Zishan. He is a country head Pakistan Web HR. This company is a US-based company. It's a human capital management systems company. He is also director of Word System Private Limited. He seems very young, but he has 2 decades of experience of digital transformation of HR with different organizations in Pakistan and abroad. So I request Mr. Zishan Abru to please come on stage. A big round of applause for Mr. Zishan. Over to you.
Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, I'm pretty young. I am 36 years young. And yeah, my name is Zishan Abdo instead of Zishan Abdu. So a lot of people actually pronounce it Abdu. Okay. Oh, ye zyada ho raha hai. Yeah, so I am here to speak about HR technology experience and employee experience, a market size with $25 billion economy. So Web HR, Pakistan's first multi-million, multinational HR technology. We actually use AWS infrastructure and have become #1 social HR software provider in the world. Next. We have more than 25,000 clients in over 200 countries. So if you are traveling any country, maybe tomorrow or day after, you will have companies using Web HR in that particular country. Something that being Pakistani, you should be proud of. So the technological advancements that keeps us ahead in the global competition. So let me speak about SOC 2 compliance. This is one of the very important compliances that very few companies have. It actually makes sure that your data with us is 100% secure. We are ISO 27001 compliant. That means our IT infrastructure is up to the mark and meets all the international standards. We are California Consumer Privacy Act compliant since we are a registered entity in the state of California, Silicon Valley, USA. We comply with California Consumer Privacy Act. We are GDPR compliant as we have a very good clientele in the European market, so we comply with GDPR. So there are very, very few companies globally available that has all these compliances to ensure that your data is in the safe hands. Since we are a global HR services provider, we actually came up with an idea to localize HR into different regions and countries. So we interface Web HR into more than 30 languages. So say, for example, if you have teams in China and they are Chinese, you can interface Web HR into Chinese language. If you have teams in Croatia, and you can change the Web HR into Croatian. And then, for example, if you have in Pakistan and Pakistani people want to use it in Urdu, you can use it in Urdu. If you have teams in France or maybe in Canada, you can use Web HR into French language. And then again, we integrate Web HR to all global software platforms. You call it Google G Suite, Microsoft 360, or maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, any application or any platform that you name it. And then we have open APIs. If you are using any other application, maybe in-house, you can actually connect Web HR seamlessly with your own software. We have developed a marketplace of HR applications where you can switch any application that is your requirement. Say, for example, if you are making an HR budget for this year, you can go and switch or enable your HR budget module, and then start using your, developing your HR budget. Once you are done with that budget, you can switch it off. So you will not be charged for anything else, just for the HR budget only. Next. So now let me take you to the HR technology era, something that I assume is missing in this region. We have developed this happiness kiosk, and we're implementing this kiosk in the US market. What actually this kiosk does, when your employee come into your office, when they sign in, actually through facial recognition, it captures their mood swings. you know. So if an employee is very happy, energetic, and he comes into your office, you can understand, you know, if he has a very good time maybe with his wife or maybe with his kids. And when he leaves, you will understand their mood swings from the day it starts and to the day it ends. So different, you know, say for example, if there is, if you want to analyze your employees, you know, satisfaction level, their, you know, motivation level, the system will generate these employees' happiness meter for you. Through these meters, you can see these graphs, and it actually tells you when the point of the day your employee was very angry, maybe angry with their, the line manager or maybe someone else. So through this data analytics, you can, you know, keep your team motivated, energetic, and do all sorts of stuff. If you have heard about Fitbit, we actually connected WebHR with the Fitbit. This technology actually gives you the real-time heartbeat of your employee, the blood pressure level, and then the body temperature. So say, for example, if you have teams, maybe, I mean, you have workers in the factory where there is a dangerous kind of, you know, hazardous environment, where you can, you know, you actually receive these triggers if anyone's heartbeat is going to be, you know, in a dangerous zone, blood pressure is going up. So, I mean, this is a bit expensive device and the solution, but it is not more expensive than a human life. Next. Now, let me take you to the artificial intelligence of WebHR's capabilities. We have integrated WebHR with Alexa, Microsoft Cortana, and Google Home. So this AR technology actually gives you, I mean, this little device that is in my hand, actually this is your HR assistant for the future. So say, for example, if your maybe CEO wants you to send a list of employees who are present today, all you need to do is to ask Alexa to do it for you. So say, for example, if I want to send an email to my CEO, I will ask Alexa, can you please email the list of employees who are present today to the CEO. So this Alexa device will do the rest. It will automatically generate the report and email to the CEO. You don't need to log into your laptop, you know, run a report, put a filter, and these things, do things like this, and then, you know, save it in your computer and then send an email. All you need to do is to, you know, ask her. She can answer any question that is in your mind. I mean, of course, related to your HR needs. So it will answer every single thing. Now we are actually, with Alexa Eco frames. So say, for example, these frames, these are not actually Alexa Eco, but if I use Alexa Eco, I can, you know, if I'm anywhere, I can use my Eco to run my HR operations. So say, for example, if someone comes in, I can ask my Eco who is in the office. If somebody is not in the office, I can understand who is not in the office. So we were actually the first company in the world to do all these interventions in artificial intelligence. So it was first Alexa of Amazon that we integrated. Then Microsoft approached us when they were actually developing their Cortana. We collaborated with Microsoft to develop their Cortana and became the first company in the software technology era that actually connected any solution with Microsoft Cortana. In response, we became the only Pakistani company that was a launching partner for Microsoft Cortana in the Seattle, Washington. Alhamdulillah. Another technological advantage that we have is social HR. This is something that is missing in most of the applications. So WebHR is like a WhatsApp. So say, for example, if you want to send any voice note to any of your team member, you can use WebHR to do that. If you want to make a video call, you can use WebHR to make a video call to your teams. If you want to use like Instagram, you want to, you know, post any picture and want your teams to, you know, comment on them, you can use like an Instagram. And of course, we have LinkedIn. You can create your own profile and send, you can share those profiles, those happiness moments in your company directly to your LinkedIn profile. And then, of course, Twitter. sir, next. Yeah, so we currently have more, every month we see monthly unique visitor. They have reached more than 40%. Alhamdulillah, we have grown so well. The media that we have every month, that is 10,000, more than 10,000 videos and photos are uploaded on our platform. And then the employee engagement percentage is 86%. So that means from our overall data. Again, the business intelligence is one of the most important aspect. The kind of a data that WebHR provides you is amazing. I mean, you just click this globe. If you have a global presence, just click on the country. It will pop up all the details of that particular country's demographic. And then we have more than 15 different dashboards available. You can, hundreds and hundreds of reports are available. You can run any kind of report with WebHR and, do your analysis. Alhamdulillah, with all these technological advancements, we have recently won a big contract. The contract is Canadian Embassy. We are actually implementing WebHR in Canadian embassies. More than 15 countries are being implemented right now. And then the next phase, we'll be implementing more than 25 countries. And then with this, inshallah, we'll be the first company that will be, implementing WebHR into all Canadian embassies worldwide. So to win this contract, we actually had a competition between more than 30 different applications worldwide. All those applications were global players. From all those 30 companies, there were 3 companies, those who were selected. Workday, you might have heard about Workday, and then ADP. Workday with more than 15,000 workforce, $4.32 billion annual revenue, and one of the Fortune 100 companies. Of course, Workday, more than 58,000 employees, over $15 billion revenue, and 50 years old company. We, alhamdulillah, beat these 2 companies. We are only 90 people right now in US, UAE, and Pakistan, and won this contract for us. Then we became #1 HR global provider in the world. Gartner has ranked us one of the best software, globally recognized HR software. We actually provide payroll into different countries, more than 100 countries. We have implemented payroll, including China, Philippines, US, all the US states, from 50 states, you can use WebHR. And then we have been ranked by so many other companies, so many other platforms as #1 solution in the world. We also, in Pakistan, we are currently PDMA winner for Pakistan Digital Awards. We won Pasha as well, and and so many other recognitions. These are some of the traction that we have received from Gartner, PC Magazine, Amazon, Cortana, Frontrunners, and a lot of international platforms has featured WebHR as one of the success stories. So now, if you are running into a problem to having too many tiny tools to manage HR operations that are difficult to use, too expensive, and based on obsolete technologies, next, you have a solution, all-in-one social HR software that manages everything from hire to retire for the most important asset of your company, your employees. Time up, maybe we're done. Thank you so much. I enjoyed it.